Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to solve a mathematical expression which looks simple but still many people fail to solve it because they did not take a right approach. So in this video, I will tell you the right approach and if you apply this approach, you will always reach that right answer. So let's start with today's video solution. When you have multiple operation given, that is multiplication, parenthesis, then addition, then fraction, then you have to follow a rule, that is order of operation, which is also known as PEMDAS rule. With the help of this rule, we select which operation we should choose first and how to start the question. So first, if parenthesis is given, then first solve the parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication, then division. Multiplication and division both have same priority. You just need to solve from left to right. Similarly, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. Addition and subtraction also have same priority. Just solve it from left to right. So now apply this rule. So first we have parenthesis, right? So solve it first. 9 times 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 7 by 6 minus 12 is minus 6. Now we have multiplication, addition and division. So multiplication and division have same priority. Just we have to solve it from left to right. So from left is 9 times 4, 36 plus 7 by minus 6, which we can write 36 minus 7 by 6. Now we'll take the LCM. So it becomes here is 17, not 7. So it's 6 and it becomes 216 minus 17, which is equals to 199 by 6, which is approximately 33.166 so on. So what is the correct answer? 33.1667. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.